Today we're making a quick and delicious dish from the simplest ingredients.
It turns out delicious, and even the kids love it.
For this recipe, we'll need 4 eggs, which I'm cracking right now. And try to make a gentle tap. Tell me in the comments, have you ever wanted to crack eggs with a hammer? I'm separating the yolks and whites into different bowls.
I continue to mash the yolks until the salt is completely dissolved and the mixture becomes smooth.
Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground allspice. Mix the yolks with the spices until smooth.
I always love this moment. The spices unfold and it immediately smells like a delicious breakfast. And the yolks become brighter and thicker, just the way they should be.
Finally, chop a bunch of dill and add it to the whites. Mix well.
Dill adds freshness, a light aroma, and a pleasant green note to the dish.
Cut about 100 grams of mozzarella cheese into thin strips. We'll need 4 pieces. Grease the pan with vegetable oil. I used 20 grams. Pour the yolk mixture onto the hot pan and spread it evenly. When the yolks have set, I start putting cheese on one side. Now carefully roll it up and move it to the edge of the pan to pour the dill and egg white mixture into it. When the whites turn opaque, roll it up again. Remove from the skillet. It's ready. This is such a quick and tasty breakfast. I hope you'll enjoy this roll. To see more interesting recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon below the video. Thank you for sharing your thoughts in the comments. Enjoy your meal, stay healthy, and may there be peace on earth. See you next time. Bye bye!